So let me just start this by saying that I know I look like a toe, but it's fine. Okay, so I've never really filmed like a hair tutorial before, but we're just gonna see where this goes. I have this idea in my head of like this really, dude, I look so busted, whatever, of this really cute like ponytail. I have this really cute idea in my head of this like slicked back ponytail that's like tousled and like beachy, and so that's what I want to film. I've never tried this hairstyle before, so honestly, you might not even see it if it turns out really ugly, but I mean, hey, let's just find out.
Mr. Rao, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so some things that you are literally going to need, or else you can't do this, is a curling wand. This is 1.5 inches or 32 millimeters. A flat iron, Wata heat protectant spray, what is this called? Styling foam, a brush, duh, and some hair oil, unless you like for your hair to feel like straw. I don't, so. What we're gonna start with is this. You don't have to use Wata, but I slicked out my hair in the middle part, and so when I put my like ponytail up, I don't want there to be like a very obvious middle part. Like I want the top to be smooth, so I'm just gonna use water to get rid of that. Okay, so instead of curling our hair first, we're gonna put our hair up first. I feel like this will save me time, and I also won't have to curl as much of my hair. And so the styling foam comes in to play, at least for me, on the top of my head, because I really want this top crown section right where the ponytail is going to be like as flat as possible. So the styling foam will just help get rid of like any bumps, any flyaways, all that jazz that like nobody wants. So now you're just going to work on putting our hair in a ponytail. So now we're going to curl it. Take your heat protectant spray, whatever you're using. I'm using the Ion Styling Heat Protectant Smoothing Spray. I'm actually just going to split it in half, straighten the ends of your little ponytail, and then in big sections, not little, because the smaller the sections are, like the tighter your curls are going to be. I want more like waves than I want actual curls, and that's also why I'm using such a big wand. So you're going to wrap away from your face, leaving like this much out. I usually hold my like curls on the thing for like 15 seconds, or you can feel the wand, and if you feel your hair is hot, then you know, like, take it off. I feel like each side I'm probably just gonna do like 3 to 4 sections, just to like let you know how big the sections I'm taking are. Like, they're not supposed to be small sections, they're supposed to be big. Also, if you have to, don't be afraid to recurl a section, but if you are going to recurl a section, I would wait like a minute or two, like so it curls down, so it cools down initially, and then you can fix it like once it's cooled down. I feel like whenever I try to recurl a piece of hair and like the hair is still hot, it doesn't like curl the exact same way as if I were to like wait like a minute. Also, when you are wrapping your curls, you want to try to make sure the hair is laying flat on the barrel instead of like having it be twisted or whatever else. When you twist the hair around the barrel, it gives you a completely different look than when you lay the hair flat. So like this, as you can see, the hair is flat when I'm wrapping it around, and that just gives me like the curl that I'm looking for in this look. Okay, then we're on the last section right now, and I am not going to touch these. Who the heck is that? Oh. I'm gonna leave my hair looking like a plant while I do my makeup. When you curl your hair, it's best to like let your hair cool down before you touch the curls. This will just like help your curls last longer. It'll keep their shape. If you wanted to, this would be the time to use hairspray. Like I would definitely advise using hairspray like if you're going out for the night or you have like an event or like something, whatever, where like you need the style to last. I'm just going to work, so I really don't care. Okay, so makeup is clearly done. Now we're just gonna go through and kind of work, and now we're just gonna kind of go through and like work, what am I saying? And now we're just gonna go through and work on these curls. So I just put a little bit of argan oil in my hands, and I'm going to actually grab, okay, bear with me. This is something I discovered when I was a freshman on how to like loosen up your curls without just like running your fingers through them, because I feel like sometimes that like makes them a little bit looser and it like ruins them. So you're gonna grab the end of your curl and then you're just gonna kind of shake it out. Also, putting the argan oil on your hand, because clearly we're touching our hair, it just helps like prevent frizz. It adds a little bit of shine to your ponytail. So right now I'm going to tease a little bit. I have a wide tooth comb that would come in handy, but it's too far away, so we're not going to use that. I'm just going to use a brush instead. Also, side note, this is a wet brush. Get one if you don't have it. Literally amazing. But we're going to keep the ends alone, and we're really just going to focus on teasing the mid shaft of the hair, but not so much on the top layer. So doing this will help give your ponytail a little bit more volume, but doing it on not the top layer will help you not look like you haven't brushed your hair in like 10 years. So, life hack. Just take your time through this like detangling process, because this is when you're like creating what your ponytail is going to look like for the rest of the day or night, whatever. So you want it to be cute, you know? Also going to tease right under the root, I'm just going to call it the root of the ponytail to give me more volume up there, because it was laying a little flatter than I would like it to. So I'm going to do that. Just make it a little bigger, a little more lived in. I feel like this ponytail just involves a lot of like zhuzhing, so zhuzh until you feel like you like what it's looking like. I'm gonna tease the length just a little bit, because I feel like when ponytails are really high and they're curled, like I split my ponytail in half, curled one this way, I feel like they do this thing where they like split in the back and you look like ridiculous. So I'm gonna tease the length, A for volume, and B to get the two sections kind of like merged together more so they don't split when they're behind my head and I don't look ridiculous. And when you feel like a Bratz doll that you left in the basement for like 10 years, then you're probably done. Yeah, this is it for this look. I'm so excited. This is my first like hair video. So let me know if you guys liked this video, and I will be sure to do more hair videos. I definitely want to show you guys how I like curl my hair and like a cute little like braided hairstyle. So make sure you let me know if you like this video. Comment down below, like this video. How many times can I say this video? My two most used socials, Instagram and Twitter, are linked down below, so be sure to go follow those. side note, I'm going to be trying, keyword trying, to upload more, make more videos, make more, like, legitimate content, but I'm about to start my senior year in university, so time is not on my side, but I just keep looking at myself because I love this ponytail. Oh my god. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.